5 reasons you need Credit Suite. Look, as one of the top educators in the space to help business owners understand how to improve their fundability, build business credit, and access financing, I'm often asked, what exactly do you do at Credit Suite? How exactly can you help me? So in this training, we're gonna talk about 5 reasons you need to work with Credit Suite. We're gonna talk about how we help you get the most money for your business at the best terms. We're gonna talk about how we help you get financing even if you think you can't qualify, whether you're just starting a business or looking for multi-million-dollar funding for expansion. We're gonna talk about the secret insights that we actually use our technology and our team to help you access and tap in to the vast amount of capital that's out there, but navigate this confusing landscape of where to get money. And we're gonna talk about actionable steps you can take to be able to get the most money for your business at the best terms. We got a lot to cover, so let's dive in. So let's start with reason number 1 of 5 that you need Credit Suite. It has to do with fundability. Look, it doesn't matter if you're working with business loan brokers, your bank, or other overnight gurus that you see talking about getting money online. The problem is they don't talk about the reasons you're denied. And this is called fundability. What we found helping over 50,000 business owners get money is that the vast majority of business owners that get denied for financing, it's not because of their credit score, it's not because of their income or how long they've been in business, it's because of how their business is structured. It's to do with their overall fundability. And this is one of the areas that Credit Suite specializes in most, is helping you improve your fundability, understand the secret formula that lenders and credit issuers are really looking at to determine your approval, and helping you meet their approval criteria before you even apply. It's getting you set up with credit and financing you can actually get, knowing you meet underwriting guidelines and knowing that you have the best chance of getting approved before you even apply. And that fundability is key because I can't tell you how many business owners we've helped fix one thing in their business and go from getting denied for credit and financing to immediately getting approved. So fundability is one of the most important aspects of getting the money you need for your business, and it's why it's one of 5 reasons you need to work with Credit Suite to make sure you have the best fundability to get the most money at the best terms. Now, the second of 5 reasons you want to work with Credit Suite is business credit building. Look, if you really want to get the most money at the best terms, you need to build your business credit. Business credit's as important to your business getting the money that it needs at the best terms as it is for consumer credit in the personal world, right? You're going to struggle to get a home loan. You're going to struggle to get a car loan or credit cards with reasonable interest rates if your credit is bad or non-existent as a consumer. Same thing applies in the business. When you're trying to get money for your business to grow, for your money to get your business off the ground, then your business credit profile needs to be established. As a matter of fact, business credit reporting agencies will give you a failing score just because they know your business exists and you have no credit. That's right. Unlike the consumer credit world and the business credit world, you can actually be given a failing score just because you don't have credit. So by establishing your business credit profile, you actually give your business the ability to fund itself. It's a great way for your business to get money, even if you can't get other kind of financing. And even if you can get other financing, business credit quality is crucial for you being able to get the most money at the best terms. And that brings me to reason number 3 that you need Credit Suite. It has to do with our technology and our coaching. Look, we've helped 50,000 business owners through the process of getting money. And what we found is that entrepreneurs like you are looking for the easiest and fastest path to get the money that they need. Not just now, but through the life of their business. Well, we've created software that walks you through step-by-step the process of getting the money that you actually need. We're only putting sources of capital in front of you that you know you're able to qualify for. We're actually providing you underwriting guidelines and tiers to apply for, so you're applying to get the money you need in the right order, so you'll know you have the best chances of getting approved. But even though we've got a proven process, we also know your business is unique. And in order for it to successfully work for your business, we provide coaches that actually hold your hand and walk you through the process of building business credit, improving fundability, and getting access to capital. And these coaches are there to help you get the best results when it comes to business credit building, but also do it very quickly. So for example, if you're not working with our coaches, if you're not working with our technology, it can often take 2 or 3 years to get to the same business credit building stage that our clients get to in 6 months. So that's the question. If you get access to capital in 6 months versus 3 years, what do you do having access to money that much sooner? Well, that's exactly what Credit Suite can help you do by the combination of our coaches and our software to help you improve your fundability, access capital, and build your business credit. Speaking of accessing capital, that brings me to the fourth reason that you need to work with Credit Suite. At Credit Suite, we're one of the only sources you're going to find that works with every legitimate type of financing that's out there. Look, I see lenders online that brag that they have access to 70, 80, even 100 lenders that they actually have access to. But with Credit Suite, we work with over 1,000 different funding sources. And the reason we work with so many different types of funding sources is because we work with every legitimate type of funding. You see, that's the problem that business owners experience getting money. We call it a cash access problem. The problem is that there's so much money available in so many different sources that a typical business owner has no idea where to go to get the right type of funding for them or how to get the best terms on that kind of financing. So what we do is we actually provide you access to every legitimate type of financing, and we tell you the financing you can specifically qualify for. And this financing is based on one strength of your business, not all aspects of your business overall. Don't get me wrong. If you have good personal credit, good business credit, good revenues, you have collateral, we can help you get SBA loans. But let's be honest, a lot of business owners don't have that. And if you're one of those business owners that doesn't have that, then we help focus on the strength of your business. Maybe it's a cash flow. Maybe it's that you have collateral. Maybe it's that you have business credit or personal credit or a guarantor. We help you find the strength of your business that opens up the doors for you to get capital. Now, this is very different than the current lending market. Most online or what we call fintech lenders only focus on one kind of funding. So if you have cash flow for 2 years, they can get you money. Or if you have really good personal credit, another kind of lender can get you money. But if you have cash flow and you go to the lender that requires good credit, you don't have good credit, you get denied. And so many business owners have this mismatch of what they can qualify for and applying for the wrong kind of financing, and they get denied and they get discouraged. We don't want that to happen. So what we want to do is give you access to every legitimate type of financing through over 1,000 plus lenders, tell you exactly what you can qualify for, focusing on your business strengths. And this actually helps you get approved where you would typically get denied, and it also helps you stack funding. And what we mean by stacking funding is we mean that we help business owners get multiple different types of financing to help them get to their goal even faster because they're able to obtain even more capital. And look, that's just not something you can do with a typical lender because a typical lender only works with 1 or 2 types of financing, not 30, 40 plus like we do here at Credit Suite. And that brings me to the fifth reason that you need Credit Suite. Look, all this access to capital can be overwhelming. And that's why with us, you get access to your own finance specialist. Your own finance specialist helps you navigate this very complicated business financing space to be able to find the funding programs that you can actually qualify for, to be able to provide you information and be able to provide the features and benefits of each of those programs so you'll know the kind of financing that works for you. And oftentimes it's more than one, and our finance specialist will actually work with you through the process of getting approved, even to make sure that that money reaches your actual bank account. Plus, the finance specialist actually negotiates rates and terms on your behalf. Think of it like this. If you go to a bank and apply, they might approve you for financing, and they're going to give you whatever interest rate and terms they give you. But if you come through Credit Suite, and we've sent 100 clients that month to that same lender, who do you think is going to get better terms? You, the one coming in with a single application, or one of our clients when we're sending 100 over there? They want to impress our clients because they want us to continue to send business to them. And we use this leverage to be able to get you approved in situations where you normally wouldn't, and also to be able to get you approved at the best terms. So these are the reasons you want to work with Credit Suite. Overall, we are the best in the business of helping you improve your fundability, helping you build your business credit, and getting financing. And when you combine those three with powerful coaching and finance experts and technology that's all dedicated to one thing, helping you get the most money at the best terms, and that is the key to not just getting the money you need to start a business or grow it, but to actually even get tens of millions of dollars down the road for massive expansion as well. Credit Suite is here to help you through the lifetime of your business, and our main mission is one thing: help you get the most capital at the best terms. So if you want to learn more, make sure you go to the information in this description and actually access a finance assessment. You can actually get it at creditsuite.com/consult as well. The finance assessment's 100% free, and there's 3 things we do for you. First of all, we dive into your fundability. We help you see the issues with certain fundability aspects and know what to fix so you have the best chance of getting approved for funding. Then we actually get your business credit reports if your business credit's established. Even if it's not, we're still providing you tips and tactics to build your business credit, and we'll tell you all the financing you can qualify for right now. All that happens 100% free with a free finance assessment. So check out the link in this description. Go to creditsuite.com/consult or give us a call at 877-600-2487.